We're back with another Milwaukee Packout joint. I love this thing. I encourage you guys, if you are looking for organizers, storage areas, things to keep your stuff in, get into Milwaukee Packout system. This is my first Packout purchase. Alright, this is the beginning of my Packout purchases. This little thing, as soon as I seen it come out, I wanted this thing bad. Okay, this thing is amazing. This is where you disconnect it. If I had another Packout, I'd show you, but I don't. As you can see, I got, mine's full with electrical things. These are the hinges right here. They're amazing. Look how heavy duty these are. Now, I got the DeWalt one like this, okay? It has 4, places to lock. 2 here on the side and 2 here. The 2 here on the side are plastic. They go click, click. The 2 here are plastic, and one of them broke. Not even a week into using the thing, I was highly upset. So that's my beater. The DeWalt one. I got a DeWalt tape measure that I beat the shit out of too. I like DeWalt stuff, but some things, they just make some chintzy ass shit sometimes. But yeah, this thing is heavy duty. I'm not going to be going through any broken things with this. I can see, look how heavy duty this is. All the way through. This plastic is like, I don't know, man. It's heavy duty. It's just rough and tough. You see, we got the weatherproof gasket here. That way, the water gets in. Nothing comes out. Nothing stays put. Nothing gets out of this thing. Look how heavy duty this is. Alright, just look at this. It's like perfect. They really put some engineering in this compared to their first one. This is their first one here. Okay. This one, I definitely picked this up, I don't know why that was open like that. It's my daughter. But look, I fell in love with these when these came out. I got 2 of these at $20 a piece. They're at $20 right now at Home Depot. But this is different from the Packout because they connect over here on the side. See? They connect right there. But this is heavy duty. I've had these for over a year now, and they hold all my stuff. All of it, which I already. The handles are heavy duty, the latches, the weatherproof. It's just a robot. This hasn't cracked. I haven't seen any of these with a cracked one. I haven't seen any broken organizers. And I've seen a couple people with these things, man. Beating the hell out of these things. I don't beat the shit out of my tools, I don't. I can't. I don't like it. They cost so much money for you to freaking throw around. Especially batteries, guys. Don't throw batteries all around. I know they got warranty, but, warranties ain't forever. But peep this out. Look at this. Look how heavy duty. Look how heavy duty. This thing ain't breaking. This thing isn't breaking. Look. This is one latch. Look. Look at that. Ariella, please, mama. See that? Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look how heavy duty. Look how heavy duty this is, okay? Look at that. This is heavy plastic, man. This thing isn't breaking. I don't see it failing anywhere. I don't see it failing anywhere. Oh, I opened it. Shoot. I'll put it on its side. I got one latch open. Just to show you guys. Look. Look. I don't see it failing. I don't know if... I don't think it would fail there. I doubt it. I hope not. You know, I don't know if this thing will, you know, I don't know if this thing would break. You know, I don't know. You got not too much space there. That might be a little area of concern, but I don't know. Hopefully not, you know. Like I say, I don't beat on my shit. I toss it around a little, but not half of the people that I work with, they just... and whatever. To each his own, you know. But they last. They're meant to beat, you know, beat the shit. To beat the shit out of them. But, look at that, huh? This is heavy duty. I fell in love with this thing as soon as I seen it coming out. Before it came out, you know. And, you know, this is how the back looks like. And, you know, it's all compatible with the Packout. And as soon as they came out, seeing the Packout, man, I was like, shh, that thing is off the hook. But yeah, so they got a spot over here where you can put your lock. If you don't want nobody going into your organizers. Right here, look at that. Locked up like the 20-inch. Just got the weatherproof gasket there, so no water will get in it. You know? It's just heavy duty. I love Milwaukee, man. I'm a Milwaukee boy. But yeah, man. So I got this on a special. I don't know if you guys seen my other video. At Home Depot right now, this, not the bins, just this, is coming with the Fuel Impact M12 there. With the charger and the 2.0 battery for $100, 99 bucks. And I definitely, as soon as I seen that thing coming out, I grabbed it because I always wanted this Impact. You know, the M12 is definitely a line that I got into. You know, I got the 4.0 with it. I want to expand my M12, but watch out, baby, you might get hurt. Please. Yeah, play with a couple of liners, huh? Yeah. Thank you. So I took out a few bins from there. Put them into here, you know, and you know, they fit, of course they fit. And this thing is mint. I love this little Packout joint, man. It handles, you know, I don't see any of this failing. I just hope that these don't fail, you know, because it's a little sketchy. But other than that, I don't see anything else failing. I mean, you can break this if you push this down. You can snap this right out, I bet. So, be careful with this. Be careful with the hinges. You know. Other than that, freaking beat the shit out of it if you want. But yeah, man, this thing is amazing. I recommend it all day. All day, every day. I always recommend Milwaukee stuff. They're just good stuff, and they're really knocking things out of the park right now. They really are. They stepped their game up, and man, I'm definitely on Milwaukee's team. So, you know, you guys, if you don't have the Packout yet, man, get into it. I guarantee you it'll make your life a lot more easier. Alright, my friends? Watch out, baby. That's the Packout for you. Alright, make sure you pick it up at your local Home Depot. Internet. Pick up this little package. Get yourself into the M12. You know, it'll introduce you to the M12 and to the Packout. So that's awesome. You know, so keep an eye out. Think about it.
You know, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.